Welcome back. So now we'll look at how to insert an element between the linked list. So like I said, in like linked list is a data structure with node and a reference to the next link. So now let's look how to insert an element which is 5 between the linked list, and I want to insert this element 5 at position 3. So here is the code, and I'll give you a walkthrough like what's happening in this code. So I've named my function as insert middle. I'm passing my head as a reference pointer. This is the position and this is the data, which is 5. I made a new node and I initialized it using the class node which I explained. And now if my head does not equal to null, which means that my linked list is not empty, I initialize the temporary variable to the head of the linked list. I initialize the pref to a null variable. Now I need to traverse till that point where I want to insert my element. So integer I equal to 0, I as in position minus 1, position is 3, and I plus plus. Now pref, I'll make my pref to the temporary variable which is here, and I'll pass my temporary variable to the next variable. So in this way I am keeping a track of two of the linked list element. Pref will hold the previous linked list element, and the temporary variable at the end of the iteration of the for loop will pass to the next variable. So for position equal to 3, this I will run till less than 2. So I equal to 0, I equal to 1. These two iterations the for loop will run. After the two iterations, we'll see that this is my pref and this is my temporary variable. Okay. Now I exit the for loop. Now the code says that pref dot next equal to new node. So this is my pref and this is the next pointer. So I'll pass my next to point here. Okay. And now new node dot next equal to temporary. So initially this was null. Now I'll mark this to go towards the temporary. Right? And so now the